science experiment we are working on today. Put the camera here. So right now we have, well, for safety, you might want to place a few rocks around here.
So you have a controlled environment, is that correct? I'm just, no, we're co-piloting here.
Okay, co-piloting. So the products that you will need is,
What do we need are?
first, zip. And then we have a bag of Smart Food popcorn, white cheddar, and then you put some of that on top of it and stuff. And then we're at the beach right now, beautiful place. And we have a fire going. And I have a stick right here that is burning to get some fire.
Can you choose a longer stick, please? Put that one in the fire.
Yeah. So we're just gonna get this stick burned up. 1, 2, 3.
You have a count. How long do you count for, Tate?
5, 6, 7, 8. That looks good. Wait.
Oh.
We gotta do it quick, so guys be ready to watch.
So 8 seconds and then a
Here we
couple
go,
more
here we
seconds?
go,
Oh
here
my
we
god,
go.
I can't even. Oh, this is crazy.
Well, we need actually a lot of fire.
I'll use the short stick.
Okay, so you see it's settling. My own little fire.
Okay, that's enough fire. That's plenty of fire.
Yeah! Watch that popcorn melt.
Watch it. Why does it melt, Tate?
So the popcorn is a product that is soft, and it'll be good enough to melt down, and the fire is about like 155 degrees.
Correct. Maybe.
And maybe, I'm not sure the little thing yet, but then that'll carefully, gently see how the popcorn is kind of forming. See that one over there is
What's it forming?
like forming, like getting
It's like a lilac almost, like a lilac. But it's not purple.
Yeah, pilot, yeah.
Okay, I gotta move. I'm getting too hot. Sign off.
Okay.
I need to blow my nose, Tate, is what the townspeople are calling him. Everybody have a great